Hey guys, and welcome to another day in the life of our homeschool. My name is Vani from Mrs. Mom's Homeschool, and in today's video I want to share with you a little bit of peek inside our homeschool co-op again. If you're new to this channel, I make videos to help you on your homeschooling journey. Today we're at our homeschool co-op. I can't show you as much as I'd like because I don't have permission from the parents to post their kids, but I am going to get to show you just little bits here and there. I am in my classroom for 2 periods, so I can't really show you some of the classes that my kids take because they're in class at the same time, but I will show you what we do here in my class. What are you guys making? An egg?
We are going to put something inside of it, but we don't know what. I'm not done.
A dinosaur. It could be a dinosaur egg.
Aaron, what are you? Aaron! Stop!
Hi. It broke. We got shovels and we dug under the house.
What are you making?
We're making a replica of my house. We said we can make whatever. Don't go on.
Very cool.
And this is my cousin, the inside, and then this is my patio. I had no idea you were here. Yeah.
Oh, that's your patio with all your fun stuff.
We're gonna put the fence around it, and then make the pergola and stuff.
Make sure you come get me when it's done so I can record it. Okay. The first class I'm going to teach today is our preschool science. It's called Learning Science, Science for Little Hands. And we are going to be learning about our 5 senses today. But first I have to set up for our science class. All the kids are having lunch. And so this is my opportunity to set up for science, and then back to back, I have my second class. Good job. When you find it, you gotta find your partner. If you find your partner, go sit down. Did everybody find an egg? Did you find the last egg? Yeah, Beats, who's your match? Now you're her? Okay.
You don't want to?
Taste it. Okay, you're gonna put your hand inside the bag, close your eyes, and feel it. You're gonna take a guess at what you think it is.
A balloon.
Okay, drop it. We're gonna pass it around. There's only 4. All right, smell it and pass it around and tell me what it smells like. Oh, no peeking. Nope, you're peeking. Go back. Go straight. Stop. Turn right. Look. Straight. Ouch. And stop. The next class I'm going to teach is our Learning Through Literature, where we are going to be learning about cardinal directions, maps, and we're going to be reading the book, A Map and Me. Okay, everyone jump east and hop on your foot 5 times. East. No, wait. Everybody stop. Where's east? Yes. Okay, hop 5 times. All right, everybody get back in the line. Everybody take 5 steps south and spin in a circle 2 times. Everyone stop.